Well, this is Bobby at TV Repair with a functionality proof video for Samsung X-Main board LJ92-01688. I'm sure I have to find the number somewhere else. I don't remember where it was. Yeah, 1688. The top of the white label has the 688A. And this was purchased on eBay. I just put the date on it and the quality stamp label that we have that says 90 days warranty. Today is August 9th. And I make this video because in the past there have been problems. I believe I made a video a while ago about a Y-main board that was returned to us saying that it wasn't working, it was arcing and whatnot. Not many companies or vendors on eBay will make a video that is a functionality proof because there aren't many there that service boards to begin with professionally, and few of those that do actually have the time and the stubbornness to prove that they are correct, because eBay tends to heavily favor buyers when something doesn't work. Well, this is a working board. A lot has been replaced on it, and that is something that I'm not going to show. I'm only showing for the buyer that we are testing the board. It's been running for a while. I'm going to make a half-an-hour video, but it does work fine. This is just a few markings that are unique for the board so that they know that this is the board that they will be receiving. It's been majorly upgraded is not the right word, majorly renovated. All power components on it that tend to fail have been replaced, and that's about an hour of work. If there isn't something on the TV that would make it fail, that board's not going to fail for years. What is that makes it fail? Well, apart from other boards on the TV that can screw it up, one of the most common problems is the screws, because the panel is extremely soft. If you use a screwdriver with a very high torque, you can very easily overdrive the screw, and that is a problem. If that happens, the board starts arcing over time and causing the power components to fail. One thing that you can do is just get a screw with a larger body. You always use metal thread, a tiny thread on it, and you can actually very easily make a new thread in that soft material, but again, there is a high risk you can over torque it, so be very careful with that. The other thing is the other boards. Bad logic board can screw this up. A bad power board, less likely, though potentially. Bad panel, I don't remember the last time when a panel caused a sustained board to fail. But that's it. We just wanted you to show that this board that we're about to send now is working fine. Thank you.